You are welcome in online class, dear students. Today I am with the science chapter number. This is the 3 chemical substance and processes. In this video, I am going to talk about the different kind of the chemical reaction. As we know that chemical reactions are those kind of the chemical changes in which the two reactants combine together and they forms the products, they give the products. So the chemical reaction can be classified into different types, so depending upon the types of chemical changes occurring during the reaction. Now let us study the different type of the reaction. First reaction is the combination reaction. Combination reaction. Combination. So what does mean combination reaction? So a chemical reaction in which two or more substances combine to form a new substance. This means that a chemical reaction in which two or more substances, as for example, here is the 2H, two hydrogen atoms and the two oxygen atoms. So these are the reactants, hydrogen and oxygen. So when they combine together, what they form? They form the 2H2O. 2H2O. So what happens? The two atom of hydrogen and two atom of oxygen, when they combine together, they form the water. So another example we can set up N2 nitrogen 2 atom, and after that 3 hydrogen, 3 molecules of the hydrogen when combined together they form the ammonia 2NH3. So what happens? Here is the nitrogen 2 atom, 3 molecules of hydrogen. These two reactants combine together and they form the ammonia. So this is the combination reaction. So again I want to tell you, a chemical reaction in which two or more substances combine together and they form the new substances as a product. This is called the combination reaction. Now the second thing is that second is the displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. So what happen in displacement reaction? So as its name is telling, the displacement, some compound or substances in a reactant, they change their position to make the new substances. As for in displacement reaction, a chemical reaction in which more than one product is obtained. So this is not displacement reaction. I was talking about the decomposition reaction. Now displacement reaction is that chemical reaction in which one element displaces another. Means one element displaces the another. This means that now I am going to write down the equation, that is the FeSO4, Fe, and that is reacting with the CuSO4, that forms the FeSO4, and after that copper is displaced, Cu is displaced. So what happens? This is the displacement reaction. Now neutralization reaction. Neutralization. Neutralization. Neutralization reaction. This is the chemical reaction in which acid reacts with the base. Acid react with the base they form the salt and water. Salt and water. Example is that now I'm going to take the NaOH plus 2HCl. What will happen? It will form the NaCl plus now a simple only HCl, so it will form the H2O, sodium chloride and the water. So this is the chemical reaction of neutralization reaction. Now decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. This is kind of the chemical reaction in which one chemical substance is broken down into the more than two substances is called the this is called the decomposition reaction. As for example, 2H2O, when it is passed through the electricity by electrolysis, so this hydrogen will be broken down into 2H2 plus O. So what happens here? The water that is decomposed into by electricity 2H2 and O2. So there are different kind of decomposition. Decomposition reaction take place by the heat. This is called the thermal decomposition. By current, this is called the electrolysis. By the heat and current, and after that there is another process in which the reaction take place. So electrolysis, this is the electrolysis process, and after that thermal expansion as well as. So dear students, we have learnt that the decomposition reaction, type of reaction, decomposition reaction, and after displacement reaction, combination reactions. So we have also learned that one by one. Another thing, CaCO3, when it is heated, then it produces into the CaO plus CO2. So this is the decomposition reaction. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day for you all class 7th students. Bye. We will meet another video.